hopefully in the morning we can get on one. So.
And I am done in Nebraska. Now that is some action for you.
Well, hi everyone, I'm Clay Hamblin and want to first of all welcome everyone back to another episode of On One Outdoors. The 2012 spring turkey season has been great to us. It continues to be productive. Our Nebraska and Indiana, Kentucky teams are still going strong as they try to put together some great stuff. A lot of hard work and effort goes into producing week in and week out. A lot of time behind the camera, a lot of time behind the computer, editing and breaking down film, but it's been a lot of fun. And before the turkey season had come in, I started thinking about different concepts or ways to get different camera angles. We started figuring out a way to put these cameras that David Penland had bought into these decoys. We were really going to put the idea to use here in Florida to start off the year, but when I invited Justin Powell and Casey Robinson down for a week of hunting and fishing, we started talking about the ideas, and really it was a no-brainer to send the cameras out there with them to try to put some of these ideas to work. It didn't take them long to capitalize on it, and I've been really excited to put everything together, see what they come up with, and the footage is awesome. It puts a different twist to the turkey hunting episodes, and we're going to start off right now with watching what they've produced. They're still out there going strong. They've put down several turkeys out there, and they're looking to capitalize on several more. So I'm going to finish up this episode that you're about to watch, so tune in and enjoy the action. On the center of his chest when he comes around the corner. Okay, draw. Baby. Let's hurl. Hurry up. Really high. Put the top down the center of his chest. Hurry up. Take your time, just aim for the center. Get up high enough. Right there, just put it right in. Perfect shot. Good shot, bug. Nice shot. You smoked him. Good job, bug. That was an awesome shot. That was perfect. Oh my God. I've got Katie, my girlfriend, out here.
chance. There's a little group, about 3 hens and a nice tom. And I went and roosted them last night. Waited till dark and went and set this blind up about 60 yards away from them. Little camera that I put in between two fans. And that should have been right in his face. That turkey come in and beat it up. He's done. Stay with us. We got on one. Let's go find him.
He went in over here. I don't think he's going to be very far. That looked like a solid shot.
Looks like he's done. The arrow's laying right beside him. Can you see him in there? Yes. Alright, let's go check him out. Alright. Got it.
Check this out. Woo! We got him, baby. Katie laid the smack down. Look at that fan. That's beautiful. Really dark fan. About ½ inch to 3/4 inch spurs. And then a pretty nice beard. It looked like it had a little bit of beard rot there. But still, really nice bird. Came right to the decoys, punched the decoys. We're using the old GoPro on the fan, and we're pretty excited to see what that footage holds. But what a great hunt, April the 7th, and man, we laid the smack down. So that's 5 birds for Team Nebraska. Stay with us, and let's get on more turkeys.